The question is this: how much is left in your wallet? Truly, what is in your wallet? Not what's in your wallet with capital choice. I'm talking like really, what's in your wallet? What do you have left? How much savings do you have left? And if you're not too happy with this question, it's very simple. The reason why you don't have a lot of money left is because you don't know how to play the money game. Simple as that.
Money earning, saving, and growing is a tricky endeavor. Many people aim for financial independence and wealth by forming wise money habits. Sadly, certain habits can trap you in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, hindering your financial goals. Well, let's explore these habits and how to break free from them. A key reason why many people remain broke is their lack of spending discipline. It's similar to a leaky bucket. You earn, but money slips away through unnecessary expenses. Take, for instance, you spend $5 on gourmet coffee every morning. It may seem harmless, right? But it adds up to $150 per month, $1,800 per year. On the other hand, however, if you opted to brew yourself a coffee at home instead, it would cost pennies, leaving more money for important financial goals. Bad spending habits beyond your budget can make your money vanish. And talking about budget, this leads us to our next bad habit that's keeping you poor. Knowing where your money goes is essential, but don't overlook the starting point: a budget. A realistic and well-documented budget forms the foundation of your financial planning and success. One of the most significant money mistakes people make is neglecting to create and stick to a budget. Without it, overspending and losing track of your money becomes effortless. So make a budget and stick to it. It'll help you pinpoint areas to cut back on unnecessary expenses and channel those funds toward your financial goals. Moving on. In today's world, many people struggle with interest devouring a significant portion of their finances. It's a painful reality. Unfortunately, they remain trapped in this vicious cycle, unsure of how to break free, which leaves them with little to no savings. You don't want to be poor, do you? Well, then make sure you do this. Another poor money habit. First things first, to improve your financial situation, prioritize paying off your debt. Put it right at the top of your agenda and stick to a plan, no matter what. Avoid thinking of yourself as poor, as neglecting debt can perpetuate financial difficulties. Especially with high-interest credit card debt, the situation can quickly worsen if left unaddressed. To tackle it effectively, create a plan to pay off the debt as fast as you can, starting with the highest interest balances. At least with this, you won't find yourself poor. Now, it's a common tendency for people to avoid tackling difficult problems. I don't know if this is the same case for you, and that's a recipe for disaster. The same applies to finances. Many individuals concentrate on their current needs, hoping that future needs will somehow be taken care of on their own. We tend to focus more on the present without caring about the future or what is coming. I'm talking about As a young person, the allure of money's pleasures can easily lead you astray. Many believe it's too soon to put some money away for emergencies, but they're mistaken. No matter what your income, high or low, it's never too early to save a part of it. Having no emergency fund can also contribute to financial difficulties. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can rapidly deplete your savings and lead to debt. To protect yourself, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This will serve as a cushion in case of financial emergencies, providing you with greater financial security. However, you need to know this: money is essential, but without investing it, your progress will be limited. Many millionaires began their journeys from humble beginnings without substantial incomes. They cultivated a habit of saving and then invested their savings, as well as the investment income generated by their savings. So what do you need to do? And if you do and lack the habit of saving for the future, you will easily find ways to spend that money. If this bad money habit persists, there will always be reasons why you can't invest more each pay period. Your car breaks down, you need a new air conditioning unit, your cat falls sick, unexpected big tax bills hit you. I think you can get what I'm trying to put across. The longer you delay investing, the harder and longer you'll have to work for financial freedom compared to someone who starts investing early in life. Put an end to this bad money habit today. Take a moment to assess your current finances and commit to saving more starting from the next pay period. You can invest an additional 1% or 2% each month. And even better, aim for 10% to 15% of your income. Another common mistake is spending more than you earn. I think you know how this goes. Friends and family with pricey preferences and envy over jet-setting influencers on social media. And we can all agree that the temptation to keep up with them is tough to resist. But this harmful money habit hinders your ability to have more money after covering bills and saving. It's the reason you end up in debt, and if you are not careful, it will keep you poor and in debt. Learn to decline certain invitations or propose more affordable activities. If your friends don't respect your choices, consider finding new ones. Additionally, keep in mind that you don't know what's truly happening behind the scenes with friends, neighbors, or influencers. Much of what you see is not genuine. They may flaunt a luxurious vacation, but you might not realize they funded it with a credit card they can't promptly pay off. If you consistently rely on credit cards or loans to get by, it's time to wake up and reevaluate your spending habits. Look for ways to cut expenses and boost your income. Finally, neglecting retirement planning can leave you on a rocky financial road. Without a solid plan, you might not have enough savings to enjoy a comfortable retirement. According to the American Psychiatric Association, over 70% of adults fret about money, affecting their physical health. Financial stress connects to conditions like diabetes, heart disease, migraines, and sleep problems. Moreover, money worries trigger anxiety and depression, stealing the joy of living in the present. Start today and get your retirement planning on the right path. It's a vital move for your overall financial well-being, which in turn positively impacts your physical and emotional health. So don't be late. Begin saving for retirement as soon as you can to craft a retirement plan that aligns with your dreams. Did you enjoy today's eye-opening journey into the world of finances and well-being? If you did, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss our exciting content. Remember, money matters don't have to be dull and stressful. You've got the power to take control of your financial destiny and live a happy, healthy life.